Operator precedence describes the order in which the operations are performed in an arithmetic expression. Here I have two numbers, 10 plus 20. I'm adding these two numbers and storing it in results and showing results on the HTML page here. If I multiply this expression by 2, then is the multiplication going to happen first or the addition is going to happen first? If the multiplication happens first, that means 20 into 2, that makes it 40 plus 10, result is going to be 50. But if the addition happens first, then 10 plus 20 multiply by 2 is going to make the results 60. If I refresh the page, it's going to print 50. That means multiplication is going to happen first. Multiplication and division, they have the higher precedence in arithmetic expression. If I divide this, then it's going to divide 20 by 2. It's going to make it 10. 10 plus 10, result is going to be 20. It doesn't matter if you change the sequence of your multiplication or division. If I put division here, that means 10 divided by 20, it's going to make it 0.5 plus 2, it's going to make it 2.5 here. If you want to add the numbers first, then you can put them around parentheses. Let's say if I want to add 10 plus 20 and then multiply that, then I can put it around parentheses. Then it's going to add these numbers together first. 10 plus 20 is going to make it 30 into 2. It should print 60 here. And same thing happens with division too. If I refresh the page, it's going to print 50 because 10 plus 20 is going to be 30 divided by 2. It's going to be 15. In the next section, I'm going to talk about how you can use plus operator on string data types.